we go through a sequence of exercises which strengthen this system, our central system, heart, lungs, our rhythmical system. But actually the rhythmical system is not taking place here. We see the result maybe here, but that's the place where huge systems play into each other. And we make these huge systems interchange, wrestling with each other, and by this strengthening each other. Yeah? So if we create a strong middle, and if our middle is elastic and can react well, we know that these results have a huge dimension in all directions. We go through the 5 exercises which most of you or many of you know already, because we have done them already 4 times now, or we do them for the 4th time now. Yes and no, sympathy, antipathy, love, E, hope, U, AH, reverence.